In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete tasks in Google Calendar. We'll walk through the process to make it as simple and straightforward as possible. Whether you're tidying up your schedule or eliminating old tasks, these steps will ensure your calendar stays organized and clutter-free. First things first, you want to make sure you're logged into your Google Calendar account. After logging in, take a moment to check that your task calendar is visible on the left-hand side of the screen. Google Calendar offers a variety of ways to display tasks and events, and having the task calendar in view is essential for managing your to-do list effectively. Once you've ensured the task calendar is visible, scroll through your calendar to find the specific task you want to delete. When you locate the task, click on it. This click will expand the task, displaying more detailed information, and is a vital step before any deletion. Here, you can see all the specifics of the task at a glance. Next, look for the trash can icon, which typically represents the delete function. Click on this icon to remove the task. For many tasks, this action is straightforward. A simple click of the trash can icon and the task is gone. This quick tap ensures you have one less item to worry about on your calendar. When it comes to repeating tasks, the process adds just a bit more nuance, but no need to worry, it's still quite easy. After clicking on the repeating task to reveal its details, you'll again click the trash can icon next to the task name. However, an additional decision needs to be made here. You will be presented with options: delete for just that particular instance of the task, or delete all if you want to remove every occurrence of the task from your calendar. Sometimes you might decide to delete just a single task from a series. In this case, after selecting your task and spotting the trash can icon, you'll need to choose carefully. You'll see options allowing you to delete only the one task instance you clicked on, or alternatively, you have the option to ensure the whole series is removed by opting to delete the entire set. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to efficiently remove tasks from your Google Calendar, whether they're individual tasks or part of a repeating series. Keeping your calendar streamlined not only helps with productivity, but also makes sure that the tasks you have left are the ones that truly matter. I hope this guide has empowered you to manage your Google Calendar with even greater ease and confidence. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.